buttons in this intersection. After the countdown, the walk sign turns back on, like while it's doing the countdown. Wait screen for a long amount of time. See? It just keeps making the sound. And after you can tell, something's kind of wrong with these buttons. There's a Polara button over here, an iNS.
Good to cross Hazel Avenue at Serena Drive. Traveling west. Wait.
This one's about to go off. Here.
Where to cross La Serena Drive at Hazel Avenue.
Alright, back to another Campbell pedestrian button. This is the other side.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at La Serena Drive. La Serena Drive.
Going off pretty soon. Here they're chirping all the way from the other side. The Polara button's loud. We'll go up to this side. So the same thing. I'm at a different intersection now. This one's house just like the other one. I can tell you that. Alright. I'm at a different intersection now. Yeah.